You're motivated, fired up, ready to go and start that English learning adventure. The only problem is tomorrow you're going to be exhausted from all that extra hard work and overtime at the office. Plus, you've just got to make sure that you catch that new episode of The Glory on Netflix. So, what's the secret to a successful and sustained learning experience? What's the key to taking your English to new heights? Grab a notebook and get ready to take notes because this is one show you won't want to miss. Let's jump right into it and talk about the fragility of motivation. That's right, language learning is an exciting and fulfilling journey, but what happens when our drive and determination start to waver? Look, motivation is like a flame, flickering and easily affected by life's challenges like stress, relationship problems, or being glued to the screen for hours. Relying on motivation alone is like trying to light a fire with a gust of wind always blowing. It's not sustainable. You can't do it. So, what's the key to maintaining a consistent language learning practice? Keep watching to find out, and I'll cover all my tips to getting through motivation. There is a secret weapon that can provide stability and structure to your language learning journey, and it's not just motivation. Instead, it's the power of consistency. Okay. Unlike motivation, which can be fickle and easily swayed, consistency gives us a steady path to follow, like a strong pair of wings that will keep you soaring like a bird, like an eagle. With a consistent approach to language learning, you can overcome obstacles and reach new heights that you never thought possible and make progress toward fluency with ease and with confidence. So, how do we establish a routine that supports language learning? Start small. Small. For example, set a goal to study for just 10 minutes a day. If that's too much, try 5 minutes. The key is it's got to be consistent and it's got to be something that you can easily do. It's like taking your vitamins or brushing your teeth. It doesn't take long, but you can develop a gradual habit. Gradually increase the amount of time as your routine becomes part of your daily life. I do this for working out. I started with some 5-minute little exercises that I do every time I get a break, and eventually turn that into 10 minutes, which eventually turns into a full 30 minutes or even an hour. It's something that you can ease into. And don't forget to celebrate your progress and hard work by reflecting on your accomplishments and the growth you've achieved. Notice I didn't say give yourself a reward because that's just going to mess with your dopamine system. Make sure you are celebrating yourself while you're doing it. Let the hard work be reward in and of itself. This recognition and the self-awareness is going to keep you motivated and keep you moving towards the path of success. Even when you have bad days and good days, you can continue moving forward. And that's what will keep you going. One other tool that you can put in your toolbox is surround yourself with the English language. Okay? That is really a powerful tool to achieving fluency. So embrace the language. Immerse yourself in it like it's a pool of water. Watch English language movies and TV shows. Follow English language social media accounts. Engage in conversations with English-speaking friends or family members. These activities not only allow you to practice your skills, but they also create a supportive and engaging and encouraging environment for your language learning journey. Other things you can do are change your computer and your mobile phone to English. Get those settings switched to English. You're going to be training your brain to switch and you'll be able to think in English. With every movie you watch, every TV program, every conversation you have, every post you read, you are strengthening your grasp on the language and taking you one step closer to fluency. And don't stop there. Keep putting those tips into action and watch as your English skills soar like an eagle. And if you love this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe to this channel all about English for more helpful tips and tricks. Let's keep the conversation going and continue our English learning journey together. Thanks for tuning in to Talking Tips. My name's Dennis Wilborn, and we'll see you the next time.